Equipment used to help firefighters and first responders communicate in a disaster situation like the slide fire. That's coming up after the break.
So welcome back. During times of disaster, communication is absolutely key.
It sure is. But how do firefighters and other first responders communicate in remote areas when fighting something like the slide fire? Well, companies like Verizon Wireless help out. And this is pretty incredible. Actually, these pictures are from Verizon. They have a fleet of vehicles, mobile cell phone towers, and mobile generators. Now, what they do is they take them deep into disaster areas and they create a communications network. So these are some of the pictures. These are actually coming from the slide fire. They went there the day it happened. They got the call from Sedona Fire and went and helped out. Yesterday, I think we have one more picture, actually. There we go. See, isn't this cool? Yesterday, I went to Verizon Switch Center for a closer look at this equipment. Take a look. Well, all of our eyes are to the north, of course, near the Sedona area on the slide fire. And we know when disaster strikes, communication is key. And I don't know if you knew, but Verizon Wireless has an emergency response team. They're already up there assisting the Sedona firefighters with their efforts up there. Marcus Stevenson is here with me. You're with Verizon. And you guys are already up there helping out. Had no idea you guys did this, but what are you doing specifically right now with the slide fire?
We have one of these Colts, a cell and light truck, is deployed to the north of the fire line. We're actually behind where the public can go. We're going to provide coverage into the canyon where the Forest Service and firefighters have a staging location down in the canyon. And
this will help keep the lines of communication open for the fire department, those that are down there in the canyon working, as well as at the command post.
Yes, ma'am. It's going to provide both voice and high-speed data coverage down into the canyon for them.
And the vehicle that you have up there is similar to this one right here.
Yes, ma'am. It's a little less than 26,000 pounds. It's a full cell site on wheels that we deploy rapidly. It's part of our brand promise of reliability and providing coverage where it's and when it's needed.
And this is obviously not the first disaster that you've been able to help with. I mean, you get the call and you can go, and you can help with all sorts of things. And these are some of the devices and vehicles that you use to help people out.
Yes, ma'am. What you see behind me are what we call COWS, cell on wheels. They're a longer deployment type of asset.
And I know you've worked on quite a few of the wildfires that we've had to deal with in our state. And I would imagine that not only helping with the fire department, but you've also been able to help with restoring cell towers and cell service for people that have been affected in those areas.
Yes, ma'am. Well, our primary responsibility is to cover the incident command post when these units go out, but it's also to provide coverage for the public, such as an evacuation center.
All right. Well, we appreciate what you guys are doing. It really is something I never knew about. Thank you, and we hope your crews, of course, stay safe as well.
Thank you very much.